So guys, today I've got two UK drill drum patterns that you guys can use inside FL Studio. I'm going to provide you with the free FLP link and also show you the drum patterns. Now I've got a quick melody here at the top just to demonstrate the drum patterns, and I'm going to start off with drum pattern 2. Here we go, this is drum pattern 2. This is drum pattern 1. Now these drum patterns are really simple and they would pretty much sound pretty great inside UK drill type of beats. Now I'm going to give you guys the free download link below. You're also going to need a free UK guest drum kit, which I'll leave below as well. There'll be 2 download links where you guys can download both of these below. One thing I want to just point out is when you import the 808, which I'm using the PG Gas 808 Omen, what you want to do is where you've got the settings here at the side, you pretty much want to go 75% on a hold, halfway on a sustain, and you can go between 25 and 50%, but I like to leave it just around there, just like that. And this is going to prevent the 808 from overlapping or sounding distorted. And also on the pattern 2, so on here you've got the 2 kicks, you've got the 2 snares, the hi-hats, and then like 2 pushy kind of hi-hats that kind of push the hi-hats to give it a little bit of a swing. And on pattern 2, again, you've got the hi-hats, 2 kicks overlaying, 2 snares. On here, we've actually got 2 kicks playing at the same time. And when it comes to the 808, we've got 2 slides here at the top, as you guys can see, just like that. Just like that. Now if the 808 sounds that is overlapping too much, you can take the sustain down to about 25% and that will prevent it. Just like that. Hey. And obviously you guys can add your own sounds to this. I will leave a link below in more description so you guys can download this. And also make sure that you guys subscribe. Got loads of cool content coming up pretty much every Wednesday on the drum patterns, free drum patterns every Wednesday. So yes, tune in. Between 6 PM and 7 PM is when we upload. So make sure you check back regularly. And this is the upload guide, so you can see. Pause the video if you need to see what's uploaded when. It's a simple kind of drum pattern. You can use it for UK drill kind of beats. And only thing I'm going to say, when you download this, you need to put the FLP project inside the gassed UK drill drum kit. So download the FLP, download the drum kit below, and then take the FLP and put it inside the gas UK drill drum kit, and all the drum samples will load. Apart from that is pretty much it from me today. Just wanted to give you guys a free FLP of UK drum patterns. Obviously you guys are going to get it without the instruments, but yeah. Apart from that, peace out, thanks for watching, and subscribe.